para sa mga kulot dyan, naiintindihan ko na kayo kung bakit kayo parating galit in life. I used to live my life very simply. I wake up, I put a headband on, I wash my face, slap on some deodorant, and I hit the gym. These days, chat, kahit maghugas ng muka, napakahirap maghugas ng muka. Kasi di rin ako pwede mag-headband eh. Kapag maghuhugas ng mukha sa lababo, yung nakahawak pa ako sa bangs, tapos ganun pa, ganun pa, ganun pa. Unnecessary. And then, now I have an entire routine. So if I wash my face like that, in the middle of the day, that's that. But also now I have to shower every morning too, without putting any product on. Shower lang, as in talagang rinse lang ng buhok. Because if I don't, my hair's gonna end up really looking whack. I get it now. I understand it now. Yung mga kulot nating friends chat na napapansin yung parating galit, pagbigyan nyo na sila. Marami lang talaga silang pinagdadaanan. Kagigising pa lang nila, magulo na yung araw nila.